right, guys, we're in Ikea now. Okay, so these are the curtains that I actually wanted. This is the Ritva, okay, and these have been sold out for 6.5 million years, but I think I'm gonna go with the Hannibals. It's not the name, it's called the Hannalolala. I don't think it's focusing, but yeah, so these are basically the Ritva, and I'm super.
How y'all influencers be doing?
Oh my god. So these are the curtains I'm gonna get. They're pretty similar to, they're pretty similar to the Ritva, and they're linen and they're light, and that's what I want, light and airy. The Ritva's been sold out for forever, and the way Ikea's app is talking about, it's never gonna come back in stock. Better add more depth, like color. Yes. So this is what they look like. I also got these. So I'm gonna hang them on here, but these are the, I'm gonna call them Gertrude because I don't know why that J is next to the G. I don't know how to pronounce that, but these are sheer. So in my room, I'm going to stack my curtains, and then everywhere else is just gonna be the Hannibals. The way I'm calling these names wrong is kind of crazy. But how do you pronounce this? Hannalil? You're the speech therapist. Say something. It's not there. Oh, it is.
Yeah, Hannalil. That's what I'm thinking. Girl, listen.
I'm excited. Again, these are the Ritvas. It's like a linen. Yeah, I'll just use your voice. And then these are the Hannibals. Well, actually, I like better because they feel really light and airy, and they're way cheaper. $24.99. Oh, I'm about to get them, baby. Woo! Morning, guys. Today is August 26. It is literally exactly 1 week away before I move. I did a lot of good packing this week. The week kind of threw me off. I worked Monday, Tuesday, and then I work tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. I mean, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday. Off Tuesday, work Wednesday. Thinking about calling out. It just depends on how much I get done today and Tuesday. But I really don't want to mess my money up. But then, like, also it's just crunch time, and I did not have as much completed like I needed to. Like, I think I'm about, I would say 75% done. It's just not organized, so I can't see it. But anyways, so I'm gonna go pick Val up today. She's actually coming back from New York. Her best friend got married yesterday, like her childhood best friend. They've been best friends literally my entire life. And so she got married yesterday, and so she was in New York, and so I'm gonna go pick her up. The plan was for me to yesterday, well, what's today? Friday, Wednesday morning when I got off, she was already gone, but I came, picked up Keeks for her, went back to my house, and then went back to our house, and I was supposed to be packing Wednesday and Thursday, like the whole day or whatever, which I did all of Wednesday night. I packed after I woke up from my post-work nap. But then her couch, of course, decided it wanted to get delivered yesterday, and they were like, not threatening, but just saying, like, you know, if you have to push the scheduled date back, she just landed, okay, we can go. If they have to push the scheduling date back, then it's like more money. So I was like, okay, well, so then I had to drive all the way back up here to come receive her couch, drop off with me, and now we're gonna go pick her from the airport, and then I'm gonna spend a few hours with her, help her open up her couch, because I know she's really excited about it, and then I'm gonna go home later. I did want to show you guys my pendant lights that came from my room, and I am doing like this huge series, and eventually you'll see these clips in a more, like in a sit down setting, and I'll do like a haul of the pieces that are going in whatever spaces. But I really am excited about my pendant lights for my bedroom because they were sold out from Ikea for I think a month and a half, and I didn't think they would come back in stock, and they literally came back in stock this week, and I went and got them on Tuesday morning, I think. So let me grab them. These are them. These are called the Torrid lights, and they are stunning. I got two, so one on each side of the beds. I'm super excited to see this space come together because I've been planning it for almost 2 years. Like, I've known I wanted this in my apartment for the 2 years that I knew that I wanted an apartment. Yeah, so a lot of planning has gone in, so seeing it kind of like finally coming together, actually finding the space that I wanted to live in, and the fact that it's happening in a week is like, I'm overwhelmed, nervous, but also excited because this is my first solo apartment. So I'm really adulting for real. You know, like, of course I've lived in Cali and I lived in Texas and I had my own space, but I wasn't like completely in charge of it by myself, you know what I mean? But like, had to open the bills in my name this week. I'm getting my own internet. Like, it's kind of crazy. Like, am I an adult? I'll see y'all next time. breakfast. Well, it's afternoon. Look, I'm so tired. I just really, like, I need to schedule a day of sleep with no plans. Let's see. I didn't go to Ikea yesterday. I was supposed to wake up early and go today. This is early for me, 12:40. Like, I'm doing better. Anyways, I'm eating like this little egg sandwich thing that I got from the Trader Joe's frozen aisle section. It's pretty good. These, I do not like kombucha, so I feel like if you want an alternative to kombucha, the little pressed juices are good. Because when I tell you this thing be staring me straight to the bathroom, don't say I didn't help y'all. Anyways, I'm gonna swing by because Keek spent the night with me. Poots, do you want to say hey to the people? Come here, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let me finish my sandwich real quick. Huh? Say hey, mama. Girl, she's trying to eat my sandwich. Y'all gonna say hey to the people? All right, girl, let me put you down and wash my hands. I love you. You're too close to my snacks. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna drop her off at Val's, and then I'm gonna go to Ikea and get some knickknacks. And also I bought my tape measure so I can like measure my desk. I'm gonna see if I can order it and get it delivered here, because my car is way too small. So that's why I also want to go up there, because I'll probably just order it and have them deliver it this week. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. And then Keisha's coming over around 2 to help me hang my curtains with all the rods too. Well, the curtains, yeah, because I can't do my bedroom one yet, but yeah, that's the agenda. So let's finally go to Ikea. I almost forgot to show you guys my outfit of the day. I need to clean this mirror, and I also want to be able to open this window really bad, but it's in a terrible spot where people could see in here if I don't have curtains, so I have to wait. But I'm just wearing this little t-shirt from Fashion Nova. These are my, like, some of my favorite pants from Shein, and then just my Crocs. Honestly, if any outfit that I wear doesn't go with these, I'm not wearing it because my toes look such a mess. And I just have this big black bag from AliExpress, and that's the fit. So let's go and drop off my niece. Right, Boots? Look at her. Lord, y'all, Ikea was so packed. Oh my gosh, I should have known. Like, as soon as I pulled up to the parking, it was just so overwhelming. Like, I couldn't find parking. I was like, oh my gosh, it's about to be, the lines moved really fast though, but it was really overwhelming. Like, I wanted to order my desk like I told you guys, but the line to get to the customer service was so long. So I'm gonna just order it online. But I just had like questions, and I wanted to like see some of the materials in person, but I'm gonna just have to cross my fingers. I did get a good chunk of stuff though, like little knickknacks that I need for like the kitchen. I got a bathroom toilet bowl cleaner. I got a wine opener because I can't find mine that I had, but you can never have too many of those. I got some washcloths, like kitchen towels, which I really did need. Like, I did not want to waste my paper towels, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need those for, you know, regular stuff. So yeah, I'm about to go home. Oh, I also found some under like cabinet storage bins. I need 2 for my bathroom, and then I need 1 for under the sink. It may not fit. Like, I feel like they may be a little too tall because like I have all of like the plumbing and stuff is really taking up a lot of my cabinet space, which I already don't have for real, especially in the kitchen. Like the bathroom, it's fine because I have like already had like this little tower thing from like my old apartment, so storage in there is fine. But under the kitchen, like the main biggest cabinet right under the sink, they have all this plumbing and like just all this stuff up under there, and I'm like, how am I supposed to utilize this space when I barely have cabinets anyways? So we're gonna make it work. If they're all too tall, I'm just gonna use them in the laundry room because they're really perfect to just store things. I'm just concerned about like the height of them and then the height of products. So let's go home, y'all, because truth is I'm tired, baby. Okay, tired. I think I know how to get home from here. I don't need the gyps. Robbie, literally me and Robbie came in together. He's roasting me because my apartment is two together, as if he wasn't here putting the stuff together with me. You was here.
It's given I don't deserve to be here. Like, I didn't make a reservation. Like, y'all ain't got no seats open tonight. I'll try again next week.
You know what? You just create your own 4x4 plan. You get it together and you make sure your life is together and people flame you. I've been getting roasted.
See you later.
Keys, can you get back in here? Oh my gosh, so Keys finally gave me my birthday present from 2 years ago because I wasn't here. I was in Cali, right?
Yes.
Let me show y'all what my boy got me. Honestly, I really don't even want to take her off the chair. This is where...
It's giving me a sweetness taboo.
First of all, if anybody knows me, you know how obsessed I am with this lady here, okay? And so here I was making posts on Instagram about how bad I wanted this, and I was just about to take the plunge, and Keith literally FaceTimed me like, hey, before you get to swiping your card, I kind of already got this from you a year ago. I just keep forgetting to give it to you. And I'm like, so yeah. Y'all, it comes with Diamond Life, Promise, Stronger Than Pride, Love Deluxe, Lover's Rock, and Soldier of Love. Ah! Oh, I can't breathe.
The drama.
Literally, I'm gonna get one of the thingies, but I kind of want Kiss to set me one up, like a vintage one with like speakers versus like the ones that just play over Bluetooth. Because I mean, I have a Bluetooth speaker and I feel like the sound will be better with the original one. So I'm gonna try to find a vintage one and then have my dad set it up because he has like extra speakers. You know, he's the music man, so he'll know what to do. But literally, the day that I get the setup, Keith is coming over. We're cracking open a bottle of wine and we're sitting down and listening to all of them. Hope you're ready, pal.
I'm ready to rock and roll.
All right, Keith, it's time for the curtains.
Curtains? That's crazy. Have fun.
Have fun? Listen, do not play with me right now. Thank you. Also, more Amazon packages came in. Let's open them and see what the girlies got me. Also, if you make a gift registry, there is a way to find out who bought you stuff. It's like a thank you list. My friend had to direct me because Amazon did not make it easy, and I wanted to send people personalized texts. Actually, I've been sending personalized videos and pictures of me being dramatic with the product.
I need a personalized gift basket when my stuff comes in.
A personalized gift basket?
Gift basket.
Keith, you know what? You deserve it. Premium glassware. This is for my girl Danny because she already knows when she comes to visit from Miami, we're gonna be sipping and rolling. This is classy, Keith. Hold on, let me take a picture. Where's my telephone? I think I left it in my room.
Yep.
These are stunning. I haven't even opened the box yet, but you know, obviously I put them on the list because they were cute. Oh, and she's my background.
That's cute.
Oh my God,
that's
Keith.
A cute little background.
Oh my God, please.
You and Danny.
Oh, you know what? I just can't do nothing in this life with this guy. Let's just do the unboxing. Because Keith, you get to see me more than she does. The least I can do is have my girl as my background picture.
No, I said it was cute. I wasn't no sarcasm.
You're so annoying. I hope none of these are broken. I told you I got my little plate set from Walmart. Open that box. I should have known. See, I told you I don't like
Cracking and cracking.
Wow. Stunning. Am I gonna have a little something right now?
That is amazing. I like those.
Thank you, Keith. All right, y'all. Danny did what she had to do. Okay, let me go ahead and pop these in, and I'll wash them later. Cause knowing me, I will break them some way, somehow. Like I said, let me just finish unboxing everything, then I'll organize. Because Keith is gonna get started on the curtains, the curtains. Cause listen, this one right here, I be trying to open it to let a little light in. It's right across from the bathroom. It's happening. Oh, it's my knife set. Now I can get slicing and dicing in here. So I got this one with a chopper's block. Is it not a chopper's block? Is that what it's called, Keith? Whatever, the wooden block.
Or something.
That holds it all, and it has some scissors. Y'all, I'm about to be slicing and dicing my little scallions and really dressing up my snacks. Oh, congratulations. Oh, cute. It came with a little receipt. I don't want y'all in my business for real. Congratulations on your apartment, sis. Only a fine divine meal should be prepared with these. Shalene is so annoying. I can't wait to invite my girl over so I can harass her in peace. All right.
Spatula.
Okay. She's currently getting her hair done by Val right now. But she got me my little utensils. Remember how I told you about my Papa Sage Green? Okay, and then, is there something over there?
No, that was it, wasn't it? It was only 3.
Oh. All right, y'all, well, that's it. The unboxing is over, so now Keys is gonna get started on my curtains. Keys, why do you keep looking like that when I say you're gonna get started on my curtains? I'm gonna put away my stuff. So, you know, here goes the video montage because I don't have time to be chatting. I'm keeping these forever. Is that dramatic?
No.
Feels like fate to visualize the things that I would do with you. I know things change, but I compromise my feelings for that night in June. Goddamn, I feel like you're the one for me. I am feeding off your energy. Who cares? Oh, I'm so overly into you. I know that you know. Every bar is closed, we're taking off our clothes. It's